Hi, I'm here going to show you around the D1000 New Holland big square baler. It's a 2x3 big square baler. Single axle. We're working on it right now. This is what's broken. This is the brand new one. It goes right there. We broke it. It's the knotter. We broke the knotter. Because a rake tooth got in it and broke the knotter. So yeah, we gotta fix that. I'll have some shorts up on this summer once we get it going. When we start baling hay. I'm just showing you around it for now. This folds down too. And that's a screen for the tractor.